Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Apptivo CRM to Mailchimp for Lifecycle campaigns, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Apptivo CRM to Mailchimp for Lifecycle campaigns, begin by logging into your Apptivo account. Navigate to the App Store and search for the Mailchimp integration. Select the Mailchimp integration option from the list of available integrations. Click on the Install button to add the Mailchimp integration to your Apptivo account. Once installed, go to the Mailchimp configuration settings. You will need to sign in to your Mailchimp account to authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to grant Apptivo access to your Mailchimp data. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the Mailchimp configuration in Apptivo. Here, you can select the email lists you want to sync from Mailchimp. Next, identify the CRM fields you wish to map to the Mailchimp audience. Map the appropriate fields by choosing them from the drop-down menus. After mapping, click on the Save button to apply your changes. To test the connection, go to a contact in Apptivo and add it to your selected Mailchimp list. Verify that the contact appears in your Mailchimp audience after a few moments. You can also set up automated workflows in Apptivo to trigger specific Mailchimp campaigns. To do this, navigate to the Workflows section in Apptivo. Create a new workflow by selecting the trigger conditions based on your CRM activities. Define the action to send an email campaign from Mailchimp in response to the trigger. Save the workflow once all settings are defined. Finally, monitor your Mailchimp and Apptivo accounts for successful integration and campaign performance. This setup allows you to run effective lifecycle campaigns using data from your Apptivo CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.